Hey, Lorraine Bracken here. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at FunnelMail Suite. It's a product being released on the 9th of April by Brendan Mace. What I'll cover in the video is I'll show you inside the members area. We'll also run through the sales page to see do they actually live up to what they promise and whether I believe this software FunnelMail Suite will help you make money online. I'll show you a couple of alternatives that you can use and you'll be able to make an informed decision on whether this software is right for you and your business. But before we dive right in, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you stay informed of honest reviews just like this one, and I share what I learn along the way in my online journey. Okay, first of all, what is FunnelMail Suite? They're claiming on their sales page that you can create unlimited funnels and send unlimited emails for unlimited profits in one suite with no monthly fees. Their main selling point on their sales page is the fact that they're a cheaper alternative to the likes of ClickFunnels or Aweber. Okay, so I'm inside the members area of FunnelMail Suite. I'm going to show you around here what you're going to get for your front-end cost and then also the options for your OTOs. And we shall see if this is a better alternative to the likes of ClickFunnels or Aweber, or more importantly, is this the software that's going to generate you income that it promises on the sales page? First of all, there's no training available at the minute. This may be because it's not launched yet, but I would hope that there will be training so that you would have some understanding of how the software works. And secondly, we have our upgrades and we have our done for you walkthrough, limitless sequence, limitless traffic and license rights. We do know that the front-end cost is $16.93. However, the OTOs, I'm not aware of the price as there's no information. The first one is Elite Edition, second one, the Done For You, the third one is Limitless Profit Sequence, the fourth one is Limitless Traffic, and then the fifth one is the License Rights. So the main part of the software is broken down into funnels and newsletters. You can manage your funnels, you can create a new one, and then you have your My Leads section. And then in the newsletter, we have autoresponders, broadcasts, and then your list. So basically what we have here is our pages and our emails. If you've already created a funnel, you can go into manage your funnels and they're going to show up here as your landing page and thank you page. You can go ahead and add a new campaign. You can select one of these templates, put in a campaign name, put in an affiliate link, so you can put in your name, add a photo, and then you can put in your option to put in ManyChat script and then connect to your autoresponder. This option here was surprising to me because apparently on their sales page, didn't they say we didn't need to connect to any other softwares like Aweber? However, it still does give us the option, I don't have an autoresponder, save my leads locally. And then it's a matter of saving and publishing. And you'll find it then in your My Funnels section, manage your funnels. We'll take a look at the landing page. A pop-up comes up, are you sure you want to miss out on this $197 per day system? And then you put in an email address and get instant access. One of the major flaws I see here is the fact that it's not GDPR compliant. Why do I see this as a major flaw? Well, because GDPR is super important when you're collecting personal information. Here's an article from GetResponse. This is the company I use for my autoresponders, and they have a detailed article about GDPR specifically. I'll leave a link in the description, you can go ahead and take a look. But here's a quick example of GetResponse's article where they show you how someone can opt in to your list. And then this is the box I'm talking about for GDPR. The person has to consent that they want to receive updates for marketing material and so on. I created a GetResponse tutorial walking you through how you can set up a landing page to grow your email list. I'll leave a link in the video above and in the description below to go check out if you like. But to go back to the landing page example here we have with FunnelMail Suite, it's going to show just a basic landing page just like this one and a follow-on thank you page where they can get access to the bonus or whatever it is that you're offering. And notice there's no option here to change the text or change any of the information here. It only brings us on to another product that Brendan Mace created. I actually created a review on this one as well. I'll leave a link in the description, you can go take a look. But as far as I can see, all he's doing here is literally getting you to promote his products. Back in the dashboard here, we'll take a look at the newsletters. We have autoresponders, broadcasts and lists. In our autoresponder section, you can add an autoresponder. You can choose your list. So this is the one we just looked at in our funnels. You give it a subject name and then you enter a day you want it to go out on. You can type in your message. I filled in some information here just so I can go ahead and save it. And here's our autoresponder. And then we have our broadcasts. You can select a new broadcast. A broadcast email goes out once off, but with the autoresponder, an email is automatically sent out when they opt into your form. So to visualize how this process works, we have our opt-in page. Someone signs up into your list. They'll be sent an automatic email from your autoresponder, and then you can go follow on with broadcast emails. And then they're going to be sent as well to the thank you page. That's these two pages right here, the landing page and thank you page, and following up then with the autoresponders and broadcasts. This is a simple strategy that you can definitely achieve as a beginner. However, there's two major pieces missing from the whole jigsaw puzzle. The first one is traffic. How is anybody going to see your opt-in page in the first place unless you have a good source of traffic? And unless you're willing to pay for ads, which I don't recommend to begin begin with, I highly recommend just going with organic traffic. It is going to take time to build, but in that time, you're going to learn so much as you grow. By the time you are ready and you're actually making sales, you'll be able to afford to pay for the likes of paid advertising, and it reduces the risk of you losing money. And the second big problem I see here is the opt-in form. The only reason someone will give their email address is if they're getting something of value. So it's really important that you offer a good quality lead magnet. That could be something that you could offer for free, like a PDF report, anything that's going to be congruent with the offer. If you're interested in learning how to create your own lead magnet, or as a matter of fact, start your own business online, go to the link in the description below. It's exactly how I got started. There's a free 12-step plan. You can go to step number 7, create a valuable lead magnet. There's 10 lessons in there, and it walks you through step by step on how you can create a lead magnet, what you need to identify, everything down to even creating your squeeze page and so on. So go check it out. It's completely free. Another couple of points I'd like to make about their sales page. When they claim that you're going to have no monthly fees, that sounds good on the surface. But when it comes to softwares like autoresponders, landing pages, there is constant updates. And there's a reason why the big companies, the legit companies out there, charge a monthly fee, because there's so much maintenance and there's so many laws in place, especially when it comes to emails. That all costs money to keep maintained and updated. So the fact that this software is only a one-time fee is not a good thing in my opinion. So there's a high probability this software isn't going to be updated, it's not going to be maintained, or even still working next year. When they say here Aweber and ClickFunnels charge every single month, ClickFunnels, yes, they do. They charge a monthly fee. Aweber, they have a paid plan, obviously, but they do have a free plan. Aweber is similar to GetResponse. I use GetResponse myself personally, but Aweber has a free plan for up to 500 subscribers. You can send up to 3,000 emails per month, which is more than enough. You can send and create newsletters, email automations. There's hundreds of email templates and so on. So you can see here that they do have an awful lot of flexibility on their free plan. You can even build your own landing pages for the free plan. You can embed your own videos, so these are customizable for what you need. I signed up for the free Aweber account in less than 3 minutes, and this is inside the dashboard area. So you have your messages, drafts, broadcasts, you have subscribers, you can add subscribers if you already have some, you have sign-up forms, landing pages. They even have their own campaign you can set up automatically so you can reach out to your subscribers when they opt into your list. You can go and create a new landing page. You have all these different templates available, very professional looking ones, and you can edit them. You can make changes to the text, you can make changes to the countdown timer. We have our sign up form, and to help you get started with Aweber, they have a training section. So my advice would be, if you're on a budget, I would definitely recommend going with Aweber or GetResponse. Because another point you need to remember is there's some autoresponders that don't accept affiliate marketing, but I do know that Aweber and GetResponse have no problem with affiliate marketing. So do I think that FunnelMail Suite is going to help you make money online as a beginner? No, I don't. What they promise you here on the sales page is misleading, and there are massive pieces missing to the puzzle here they're not giving you, like for example the lead magnets. Where's your audience going to come from? I know it promises on the OTOs that there's going to be unlimited traffic, but I highly doubt that's going to be the case because there's no such thing as easy traffic. So if you want to start a legitimate long-term business, I highly recommend go check that link in the description. That free 12-step plan is going to get you started in the right way. And that's my review of FunnelMail Suite. I hope you found it helpful and you're able to make an informed decision if this is right for you. If you found it valuable, please go hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and go check out these other videos on screen, and I'll catch you on the next video.